Talked to the manager, and apparently yesterday it was warm in the fitting room area. 90 degrees today in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So we're gonna give these 3 Lennox RTUs a look over and see if we've got any issues with the air conditioning. I went ahead and kicked all 3 thermostats down. I believe this is the unit for that side of the store. This is your back room. This is your main sales floor area. And this would be for the changing area. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and see what I find. Well, I can tell you right off the bat, the suction line's not very cold. I see a lot of heat and discoloration on that contactor. I got a direct drive blower motor here, and it is running. The distributor after the TXV is icing up slightly. I'm gonna go ahead and put some gauges on this and see what kind of pressures we're running. I think we got a leak. We're running 40 pounds of suction pressure, and we're barely getting up to 200 here. Kick on this fan cycle switch. It's set for 210 minus 45. I'm probably gonna put some gas in it, see if I can find a leak. All right guys, I got my ultrasonic leak detector. I'm gonna see if I can find a leak on this thing before I pump it up. Picked up this Supco magnetic umbrella today. I tell you what, it's pretty nice being able to sit in the shade. I noticed a lot of oil here on the 180s on the condenser coil, so I'm going to investigate this and see if I can find a leak here. All right guys, I'm using this AccuTrack VPE ultrasonic leak detector. I've had this thing a few years. It's pretty much hit or miss with this, but today was a good day. Even though I've got this fan running on this condenser behind me, I was able to pinpoint the leak here with the ultrasonic. It's gonna be hard, I don't have a Bluetooth speaker up here with me or anything for you to hear the sound, but right there. And get out the trusty, tried and true Big Blue. So let's go ahead and right there it is. Get the camera to focus here. And right there's the leak on the coming off the header here. At least now we know where the leak is. It's gonna be repairable. I'm gonna put some gas in this and get them back up and running until we can come back to repair this leak. I noticed that all these 180s and even here had oil on it. This is just, I didn't add any refrigerant or any nitrogen. It's standing pressure about 125, and I was able to find the leak. I probably could have found it without the AccuTrack, but it, you know, got me close. So I'm gonna open up this evaporator section, take a look at this coil. Okay, I didn't find any apparent leaks on the evaporator coil. So at this point, we're writing up a leak search and repair, new filter dryer. We're gonna write up a new compressor contactor just because of the discoloration. And that's where we stand right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and button this up. I'm gonna add some gas till we're cooling properly, and I'm gonna check the amp draw on that blower motor. So I'll be back with you here shortly. All right, I got her all charged up. Looking a lot better now. I got a 19-degree split on the evaporator, and the fan is not cycling anymore. So we're gonna write up the leak search, filter dryer, new contactor, clean the condenser coil, change air filters, and in the meantime I'm gonna look at these other 2 units, make sure they're operating properly. If there's anything that needs written up on that, I'll include it in the quote. Loving this umbrella. Sun was beating down on me. Supco magnetic umbrella. Very nice. All right, everybody, I checked out the other two rooftop units. They're pretty good. This one needs a belt and filters. The other one needs filters. All the contactors look good. They're cooling good. So I'm going to write up the repairs for unit number 2. And if I'm sent back to repair this condenser coil, I'll certainly take a video of it and show you how I made that repair. Just want to thank everybody for watching the videos, and I will see you on the next one.